Make sure you get her a bouquet of flowers and take one rose out of it. When it dies, get her one more.
Yeah, you know, like
yes,
when,
yes, yes.
Ooh, so sweet, yeah. So
Yeah,
sweet.
yeah.
Can never do it.
शादी के लिए भी हम इतना सोच के करते हैं ना तो शायद ये नौबत नहीं आती. तो I think good things you should think and decide.
There are a lot of things that are similar between me and the character.
Okay.
But one main difference is this only, that I'm a total people pleaser. And
Yeah.
always be like, hi, ye, wo. I would never like steal somebody's story.
Love, attraction, and साथ में हाथ पकड़ना बाहर जाना.
Yeah.
All of that lasts like maybe for the first few years.
Yeah.
After that, I think you should just know how to function as a team because
Yeah.
it's teamwork. After that, it's teamwork. कि मैं जहाँ पे कम हूँ वहाँ पे आप थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो and vice versa.
Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
मेरे साथ यहाँ पे दो स्पेशल लोग बैठे हैं इस वक्त. उसमें से एक इतने खूबसूरत है कि इतनी अच्छी एक्टिंग करते कि हम कन्विंस हो जाते कि रियल में भी ऐसे ही होंगे. और हमें तो लग रहा है मतलब इनके फ्यूचर का जो दृश्यम है काफ़ी ज़्यादा ब्राइट और क्लियर है. सो टुडे आई एम एट हिज टर्फ, हिज अड्डा, वेलकमिंग ऋषभ चड्डा. एंड अलॉन्ग
वाह यार, वाह यार. Let's
एक
just
सेकंड,
take a
तवज्जो,
second.
तवज्जो,
क्या है?
तवज्जो,
Let's take a
मतलब ये
second.
तो मतलब acknowledge करना पड़ेगा यार.
Very nice, very
बहुत
nice.
बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया.
And along with me, I have this wonderful lady. मैं इनसे पहली बार ऐसे रूबरू हो रही हूँ, पर इनके बारे में मैंने बहुत सुना है. And she is jack of all trades and master of our hearts. Let me tell you, ये जब किसी रूम में एंटर होती है, स्क्रीन्स पे हमें दिखती है ना, तो पड़ जाते हैं सबके हाथ पाँव ठंडे. Welcoming Abigail Pandey in
Oh my
conversation
God,
with me on India Forums.
Very
Very
nice,
nice,
very
yeah.
nice,
So
yaar.
cool.
Very nice. What a
Thank
great
you,
start.
guys.
What a
Thank
great
you.
start.
मेरा वाला better था, but very nice.
Excuse me?
Just saying. Abhi, you have a wish
Yeah.
under your eyes.
Okay.
मांग लो कि
कैसी रहेगा यार, गिरी?
डिवोर्स जल्दी हो जाए. मांग लो जल्दी जल्दी मांग
चलो डिवोर्स जल्दी जल्दी हो जाए.
गिरू, एक सेकंड, मेरे को भी तो
तू मेरा मेकअप
ये
निकाला ना.
देख, ये देख, है झूठ
अच्छा,
नहीं बोल रहा हूँ मैं.
okay.
मोमेंट नहीं क्रिएट कर रहा था यार. मांगू तो
अरे
मांग
तू
रही है.
पागल है क्या? मैं मांगूंगी, मेरा विषय.
मुझे मांग ले.
अच्छा अच्छा. Let's go.
Wonderful.
That happy note.
वैसे मुझे एक बात बताइए, लोगों को शादी करने की जल्दी होती है ना? लाइफ में वेकेशन पे जाने के लिए जल्दी होती है, सारी स्पेशल अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ों के लिए जल्दी होती है. डिवोर्स के लिए जल्दी क्यों है आप लोगों को?
क्योंकि नहीं
क्या
बनती ना.
दिक्कत है?
हाँ.
बन नहीं रही है.
बन नहीं रही है. अगर
That's the
शादी
problem.
के लिए भी हम इतना सोच के करते हैं ना तो शायद ये नौबत नहीं आती. तो आई थिंक गुड थिंग्स यू शुड थिंक एंड डिसाइड.
अच्छा, तो मतलब
Yeah.
अभी डिवोर्स होके रहेगा या इसके लिए सीजन 2 भी आएगा? ये भी बता दो मुझे.
आना चाहिए.
हाँ.
क्योंकि डिवोर्स होते होते प्यार भी तो हो सकता है.
अच्छा अच्छा.
सब पॉसिबल है ना.
इंटरेस्टिंग. वैसे कमिंग टू यू एबिगेल, आई वांट टू आस्क यू, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंगली यू नो यू आर प्लेइंग दिस जर्नलिस्ट, है ना, कि शी वांट्स द लाइमलाइट, शी वांट्स टू गिव द स्टोरी, है ना, इंटर्न की स्टोरी चुरा के दे दी. So this is very much contradictory to how you are in real life. ठीक है?
No.
मैं स्टोरीज चुराती हूँ क्या लोगों की?
मतलब
अब पता चल रहा है क्यों हो रहा है डिवोर्स.
See? No, I think that's what I was saying, that there are a lot of things that are similar between me and the character.
Okay.
But one main difference is this only, that I'm a total people pleaser. And
Yeah.
always be like, hi, ye, wo. I would never like steal somebody's story like that.
What was the USP that you decided to do this?
I think this part of it.
Okay.
Like this character did remind me a lot about myself and things that I would like to be. Not like chore, but apart from that, you know, having
Correct.
that ekdam go-getting attitude and, you know,
Correct.
ekdam, like, yeah, I think I can be as brutal as her. I should be.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Rishabh, coming to you, what made you say yes to this script?
Well, honestly, I got a small synopsis. I read
Okay.
the whole thing. I read the title, which I absolutely loved.
Huh.
And yeah, I find this whole question like a little risky. How did you say yes to this? I feel like being an actor, you just get offered a few things out of which you choose, right?
Correct.
So it's not like थाली पे परोस के आ रहा है कुछ.
Yeah.
I think you try and choose the best script possible in what is offered to you, and sometimes the script chooses you. So that's a good amalgamation.
Okay.
But romantic comedy,
Yeah.
always wanted to do it. So that's one reason. And I absolutely love the character also. Very, very unlike me. Very.
वंडरफुल. जैसे हमने देखा है कि निकी ने यू नो आपके क्रेडिट चुरा के आपकी आइडिया पिच कर दिए. यूजुअली गाइस ये अपने साथ ना इनिशियल डेज ऑफ कॉलेज ग्रुप प्रोजेक्ट्स में कई बार होता है.
Yeah, I know, this is normal.
Yeah.
Oh, very, 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 very. very.
Do you remember ever आपके लाइफ में कैसे इंसिडेंट हुआ है कि यू नो somebody took all the credit and you just wanted to smash that person's face, पर नहीं हो पाया यार?
School.
No, I think
Yeah,
I'm
that's
the
all.
one who take somebody else's. No. Like growing up now, by projects and all, I'm not a very arts and crafts sort of a person.
Correct.
So मेरे सारे projects, I think they've always made by my near and dear friends.
Oy.
Yeah, but I had their consent. Like they knew what they were doing.
Yeah,
And
मतलब धमकी देके चोरी की धमकी मतलब
yeah,
ठीक
at
है ना?
least था. मतलब
नहीं
they
दोगे तो
knew.
मार दूंगी.
They knew about it.
Very calm about it.
What
Yeah.
about you?
Yeah, when I was in school, I was in the 8th standard, and I remember that कुछ तो बात चल रही थी to become head boy.
Okay, correct.
So there was a group of teachers that really wanted me to be the head boy, and some teachers were completely against it. कि यार कोई भी बन जाए,
Hey.
ये ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए.
क्यों?
I don't know यार, ऐसा क्यों for the wanting वाला part or the not
Not
wanting
wanting वाला part.
होता होगा ना teachers का मतलब
Yeah,
favorite
I'm so
child, favorite
surprised.
student.
You're such a delight otherwise. Like, why?
Of course. So then, I remember I went in to meet the principal, and that's like the final interview
Okay.
that takes place before you become the head boy or whatever.
Okay.
And यार मेरे से गलती पता है क्या हो गई? I went in and I knocked.
Okay.
And I pulled
You
the
went
chair.
in and you knocked.
So as in I went
वो
in, as in
गलती थी.
I walked. Nice one. Nice one. But I knocked, right? And I went in.
Yeah.
And I just pulled the chair and I sat. And she said, "Did I ask you to sit?" And I didn't realize, yeah, it was a bad.
But 8th standard kid, yaar.
That's
No, I
so
didn't
mean.
realize.
That teachers also extra
Yeah.
sometimes. No, this is really
Thanks.
mean.
So then she said, ki, "Okay, you can leave now."
Correct.
And eventually they made me the monitor.
Correct.
Cut to 2 years later, they had no other option.
They made you the head
Oh
boy.
my
They-
God.
oh yes.
Oh my God.
Feels. I loved it. So now those teachers call me to the school as a chief guest and all, and they are always raving.
Then you should ask them, ki,
हमारा student.
can I sit now, ma'am? Did you do
Oh,
that?
nice.
Savage.
I'm
Ma'am,
not
can I
such
sit?
a- नहीं यार ऐसे कोई करता है क्या? नहीं यार teachers.
Aye. Oh,
वैसे
moment हो गया.
Abby's name on my phone by Abby is saved as Abigail, my guru.
Because he
क्या
changed
सिखाया?
it. He did Rishabh is the best. And I was like, I didn't
मैं
correct
तो
the
फिर भी
spelling.
सच बोल रहा था. इससे तो झूठ लिखा है.
अच्छा, I know. I'm so sorry.
It's all right.
But what do you guys think? What is the mantra to deal with this? अगर किसी ने कुछ चुरा लिया, कोई क्रेडिट ले लिया, and आगे बढ़ गया, आजकल तो बहुत होता है यार.
Register करो ना
कैसे?
मतलब.
How is that mantra?
I think calling them out.
है
I
ना?
would totally do it. Yeah, like totally calling them out. Ki bro, ye, this was
Correct.
me.
Correct.
And like I would definitely take it up one-on-one, maybe if not
Correct.
publicly according to what
Yeah,
I
you
was
wouldn't.
feeling.
हाँ, exactly what I was
Yeah,
thinking.
but I would be like,
Yeah,
I
because
know
she's
you
not
did.
very
Yeah.
like that. मतलब she हाँ confrontational तो
नहीं.
इतना नहीं. वो पहले प्यार मोहब्बत से बात करती.
But मैं ताने मारूंगी. मैं ताने तो मारूंगी.
Wonderful. Coming back to the title, काफी ज़्यादा quirky है, काफी ज़्यादा attraction आपका ले लेता है. The word divorce itself, but if we see the reality, today it's happening like on a huge scale because of social media कि वो पता चल रहा है हमें, you know,
Yeah.
कि 10 11 years के शादियाँ टूट रही है, कुछ एक महीने की भी टूट रही है.
Yeah.
I want आप लोगों का take on this. What do you think can be the basic reason? Is this कि हम बहुत fast हो गए as a generation, हमारे पास बहुत सारे options हो गए हैं, या what's the main crux of this?
Yeah, I think in general now people are a little more educated, a lot more exposure than before. Now we've reached a phase where people have started realizing, and it's still not everywhere, maybe in your main big cities,
Yeah.
but people realize that bhai okay साथ में नहीं हो रहा
नहीं हो रहा
है.
है.
Might as well part ways. I'm sure everyone tries. Nobody just goes for it like instantly.
True,
It is a process. It is very I think traumatizing for your family members,
Yeah.
friends and everything.
It is.
But I think it's a brave decision when you know that nahi ho raha hai, then there's no point na staying in something that you're not happy in.
True.
So I think that is worse.
True that.
So nahi ho raha hai, ab try karo, but after a point I think if you feel ki better to do that, and I think you should do that without bad mouthing each
Yeah.
other.
Yeah,
That
correct.
is most important.
What do you think, Rishabh?
No, I feel like we are also very used to instant gratification now. Na? Matlab, everything is so quick.
Yeah.
Validation is so quick. Options are right, left, center available.
Absolutely.
I think we've also somehow lost the idea of hanging on, giving it time. Old school.
Yeah.
I'm saying, see, everything about the past cannot be bad. I understand people are now educated and
Correct.
you know things are different in relationships and the power dynamics are more equal now between men and women. I understand that.
True.
But having said that, it is just become very easy to let go and jump on to the next or be like, अरे मुझसे नहीं हो रहा. I really think that you really need to put in some effort.
Correct.
Give it some because eventually ना I feel कोई भी रिलेशनशिप में आपको मेहनत तो करनी ही पड़ेगी ना.
बिल्कुल.
वो नेक्स्ट हो या ये वाला हो, आपको करनी तो पड़ेगी.
बिल्कुल.
So you might as well do it with the one that you love.
Yeah, absolutely. Perfectly said that, Rishabh. Abigail, you have been committed for such a long time. ऋषभ, are you single or you committed?
I am single.
He's single. ये ना आजकल डेटिंग की डिक्शनरी में there are few words जिनका डेफिनेशन मैं आपसे जानना चाहती हूँ.
Oh God, I'm
okay.
gonna suck at this one.
I don't think so. I think you will be better than me.
What's happening in general? 2-3 शब्द है जैसे situationship,
Yeah.
This we understand.
benching.
What is that? Oh, I know this. I know this. I know this
What is
also.
benching?
सुना
तो
हुआ है?
basically, हाँ.
हाँ,
तो
ghosting
basically-
ये सब चीजें.
तो basically, I think, correct me if I'm wrong.
बोलो.
Benching is basically तुझे पता है फुटबॉल जब खेलते हैं
हाँ.
तो सब्स्टिट्यूट्स होते हैं.
Oh.
तो अगर ये प्लेयर परफॉर्म नहीं कर पा रहा तो ऑलरेडी एक प्लेयर है.
Already
तो
है.
उसी तरह मैन और वुमेन हुए
Benching.
बेसिकली स्टैंड बाय पे एक
किसी को रखते हैं.
आदमी या एक औरत को रखते हैं
Correct.
कि अगर ये वर्कआउट नहीं हुआ तो सब्स्टिट्यूट. तो ऐसे बोर्ड भी नहीं दिखाते लोग तो बेसिकली दे गेट बोर्ड.
Oh,
This is what I did the
Good one.
Nice.
Good one.
Validation is all I
Benching.
need.
Oh,
Yeah.
Situationship I've heard benching is
Situationship
new.
भी है. But good. Are you glad कि भाई अब पहले ही committed हो गए तो ये सारे इससे बच गए आप? All of these
Yeah, very
dramas.
honestly, I think I just lucked out.
Yeah.
I think matlab we started dating when we were really young, 22, I think, 21, 22. And I think at that age you're more like open to adjusting and stuff like that. I think after a certain age you get more rigid. With your. So I think that way it just turned out well. And yeah, it's been great. That's
He's a
fantastic.
great boyfriend now, by the way.
Of course. मैंने तो बहुत सुना है इसके बारे में.
Yeah.
मतलब honestly, she lucked out.
Yeah,
I don't know
he
why.
called me when I started dating. I still remember Rishabh has called me and told me that listen, तेरे लीग के तो बहुत बाहर है.
अरे वो तो फिर भी looks वगैरह और
हाँ,
just
correct.
very hot है. But I've spoken to the guy.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Hi.
Brilliant लड़का है. पता नहीं, I don't know how he does it.
She's done something.
Voodoo ना? Even I think.
Yeah, thanks guys. Oh, that's
You tell me, Rishabh, हुआ आपके साथ कभी situationship, benching, all of that?
नहीं, बेंचिंग एंचिंग का तो पता नहीं. ये तो मतलब टर्म मुझे पता है कि मैंने कहीं देखा था. बट सिचुएशनशिप हाँ यार. My last relationship.
was not a situationship.
It
No.
now is ना.
No, now also it's not a situationship. ठीक है?
मतलब-
Please don't degrade it like that. It's not a
degrading it, I
situationship.
absolutely love her, but वो.
Right, you just said he's single. This
But
is
no,
why you need me.
No, correct. No. What I mean to say is that I am not in a committed relationship, but am I in love with somebody? Yes.
Correct.
Yes.
Well, coming back to divorce के लिए कुछ भी करेगा. हमने देखा कि जब इनकी शो में एंट्री होती है ना, यू जस्ट हेट हिम. लोग ही इज दिस इंटर्न दैट यू डिसलाइक टोटली. इनके साथ काम करना पड़ता है, एक स्कैम एक्सपोज करना पड़ता है आप दोनों को. नाउ दैट केमिस्ट्री जो वहाँ पे पोर्ट्रे करते हुए सो मच हेटिंग वाला, पर रहना है साथ में ना, शादी करनी है, दिखाना है, ऑल ऑफ दैट. और ऑफ स्क्रीन आपकी केमिस्ट्री वंडरफुल है. आई मीन इट्स जस्ट दैट एक दूसरे के केस लेने में. हाउ वाज इट शूटिंग फॉर दिस ऑल टुगेदर?
Very similar. Honestly, it was a lot of fun. Obviously, it's not like hasi mazak wala banter
Yeah,
over there.
yeah.
It was more of like serious,
Yeah.
fierce competition. But because I think and he is very like funny in general, so I think वो बस banter अपना ना बहुत अच्छा निकल जाता है. Like normally also when I talk to him and like while we're shooting.
Yeah.
So I think that just came out really well. I enjoyed it. I used to have a lot
कभी
of fun. I
ऐसे
used to keep
कोई
laughing.
डायलॉग
also.
बोलते वक्त हंस पड़े.
मैं तो बहुत
अरे
हंसती.
मतलब our climax scene. Oh my God, the way we've laughed and gone crazy. It's hilarious.
Yeah.
Believe me. I mean, you'll have to see it.
Of
But
course.
that time we had to be a little serious, yeah. But we kept like just laughing.
आई कांट वेट टू सी दैट क्योंकि अभी
Yeah.
इन्होंने मेरे को बता दिया BTS ही होने वाला, बट क्लाइमैक्स तो कुछ इंटेंस जरूर होने वाला है. बिफोर वी मूव ऑन टू माय फन सेगमेंट, वन रिलेशनशिप एडवाइस बोथ ऑफ यू वुड वांट टू गिव टू आवर फैंस.
Wow. Relationship advice.
Yes.
Rishabh will start.
So it's from mine. So I have to give.
चुराया है?
चुराया नहीं है, but I just thought it was very beautiful.
ओके.
I wish I could just say it's mine actually. But khair छोड़ो.
it's okay.
So I heard somebody say that make sure you get her a bouquet of flowers and take one rose out of it. When it dies, get her one more.
Yeah, you know, like
Yes,
when.
yes, yes.
Ooh, so sweet, yeah. So
Yeah,
sweet.
yeah.
Can never do it. But still, yeah, I think that is very, very thoughtful.
Yeah. For me, I mean, it's been a really long time
Yeah,
that I've been dating. I've realized that, love, attraction, and साथ में हाथ पकड़ना बाहर जाना, all of that lasts like maybe for the first few years.
Yeah.
After that, I think you should just know how to function as a team because it's teamwork. After that, it's teamwork. कि मैं जहाँ पे कम हूँ, वहाँ पे आप थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो, and vice versa. Because everything else fades away. So I think being a good team is important.
Wonderful.
Always.